Hey guys, all right. We're going to go ahead and continue on with Excel 2016 Core Skill Review 3 training. In the combined sales worksheet, go ahead and click on that. We're going to add a new column with a title percent total between change in sales. To do that, you want to right click on the E column, sales, and just hit insert. Once you do that, click on the heading box and go ahead and type in percent total. And that's going to be percent space total. And mission complete there. Awkward silence. It's taking forever. Come on now. All right. In the combined sales worksheet, go ahead and click on combined sales. Calculate the sales percentage for each representative in the percent total column. All right, how we're going to do that? Let's get a little help. All right, so we're in combined sales. We're going to click on the percent total F3, and we're going to type in the formula up here in your formula bar. Always start it with an equals E3 divided by $sign E $8. And we're going to hit enter. All right, once it does that, we're going to use autofill. So click back on F3, use a little box in the bottom right-hand corner and drag it all the way down to F7. Oops, I went too far. There we go. All right, correct the function in the overall column. So we're going to click on the K3 in the overall column. And to correct it, what you're going to do is go up here and you're going to hit the little function, the FX box, to open up the function menu. And there's clearly going to be some issues here because it should say profitable and marginable in these things, not the equation again. All right, so in the formula bar, we're going to replace the comma after sum with a greater than sign. So what we need to do is cut that out of there. And we want to use greater than and paste that there. This one should read profitable. And the bottom one should read marginal. Oh, you guys are getting excited. This is the last Excel. Then we get to go on to PowerPoint after we certify in Excel. We're going to spend a little time going through some stuff before we start our certification on Excel, practice a few things, go over a few things, make sure you guys are all ready. If you're not caught up, you want to get caught up soon because it's all downhill from here. All right, define the name bonus for the cell range A2 to C6 and the commission rate. So click on commission rates and you're going to highlight A2 down to C6. And we're going to go to our formulas and we're going to click on define name. And we just type in bonus in the name and we're going to hit OK. That defining name stuff should be getting pretty easy by now. Don't forget that once you define a name, if you ever need to edit it, that's in the name manager, which is right to the left of the define name in the formula tab. All right, in the commission rates worksheet, go ahead and click on that. For cell range A2 to C6, define the name bonus. We already kind of did that. All right, so anyway, let's do it again. All right, and now in the combined sales worksheet, we're going to add the rightmost column named bonus pay. So you're going to click on F and you're going to insert another column, and we're going to type in here bonus pay. And now we got to calculate the bonus pay. So calculate, we're going to calculate the bonus pay. All right, so already did that. All right, now we got to select cell F3, and this is where we're going to type our formula for the bonus pay. We're going to use the formula called VLOOKUP. So go to lookup and reference, VLOOKUP, or you can always insert function and look for it. All right, so in that, we're going to type in E3. And the table array, we're going to type bonus. This is difficult stuff. And then we're going to type 3 and the COL index number. And we're going to click OK. And then we're going to use this to drop it down all the way to F7, and it'll calculate the bonus. All right, in the summary worksheet, we're going to determine the total units sold for each quarter based on the values of 2009 and the 2010 worksheet. So we have to go here, and we're going to use the formula sum. And once we get that, I'm sorry. Actually, we can just type in equal sum and pick that formula. And then you're going to click on 2009, hold your shift key, and you're going to select the first cell of the data, which is B3, and hold your shift key again while you click 2010, and then you're going to hit enter. Once you get that number, we're going to use the fill tab, and we're going to fill down all the way down to the bottom of the data, and then all the way across. Somebody's calling, but they're going to have to wait because I don't want to stop this. I'll call them back. All right, using the data in combined sales, add a pie chart including the labels that present the combined sales for each representative. All right, so we need to do the combined sales for each representative. I want to see what kind of data they need here. So, all right, so select cells E2 to E7. And then we're going to insert a pie chart. That's pretty easy. And I'm not sure what pie chart they want. 2D pie. All right, that works. All right, and then in the chart design group, we're going to select data. And let's see, in the horizontal, they want A3 to A7. And click OK. OK. And that should do it. All right, I'm going to move the pie chart out of the way just in case. Just move it right here to the right so I didn't cover anything. And then that should be it. And that's all I have time for today, guys. I'll go ahead and finish this up probably tomorrow. Have a good one.